Welcome. Have you been looking for simple, easy-to-follow instruction guides for a new project? One that teaches you a unique way to combine paper and liquid starch to create wonderful things. And would you like to explore Papier Mâché in all of its colors and textures? If so, I'll tell you a little bit more about my instruction guides. My name is Rozani, and I would be delighted to guide you through the steps so that you can learn how to make some delightful papier-mâché sculptures, such as learning how to mix the paper with the liquid starch to create the papier-mâché pulp, or how to tear the paper and use the strip method with liquid starch. Do you enjoy creating with paper? If so, my instruction guides may be able to help you. And I have several of these to offer you at affordable prices within my Etsy shop, where you'll find my digital downloads. They include instructions, supply lists, and links to other resources. Use them to follow along with my videos or as a reference to guide you through your project. Perhaps you may find these instruction guides helpful in digital form, or you can print them out, where you can use them to work on projects at a pace that's comfortable for you. If this interests you, please follow the link in my description. There you can explore the different options used within my papier-mâché techniques. There are so many things to explore, and they can be created easily, step by step. And over time, the process will come more naturally to you as you turn your paper scraps into treasures and create different shapes with a combination of paper, liquid starch, and your own imagination. Oh, there's always a workshop in progress, and perhaps you'd like to make one yours. Thank you for being here, and I do hope to see you next time. Bye for now.